Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Great English Media. So today we will continue habit number 4, think with win. And here is the picture of habit number 4, think with win. And on the right side is quote, life is an all you can eat buffet. So now please let's move together for the meaning of think win-win. Think win-win. Everyone can win. I am a problem solver. When an issue comes up with another person, I think about what other people want and not just what I want. I am kind to others and try to think of ways to help everyone to be happy. Habit number 4. Think win-win is about always looking for ways to cooperate with others so that everyone benefits. This means changing a common view that someone always has to win. You have to balance courage in what you believe in with consideration of others or for others. This is the habit of creating effective interpersonal leadership. In order to manage our relationships with others properly, we need to think win-win. This isn't just a technique that you can apply to everyday situations and relationships. It's a philosophy, a whole way of thinking and being. I balance courage for getting what I want with consideration for what others want. I make deposits in others' emotional bank accounts. When conflicts arise, I look for options that work for both sides. Think win-win. Win-win is an attitude towards life, a mental frame of mind that says, I can win and so can you. It is not about me or you, it is about both of us. It begins with the belief that we are all equal, that no one is inferior or superior to anyone else and not needs to be the winner. Life is not all about the competition, the way it may be in business, sports, and all school. I want everyone to be success. I don't have to put others down to get what I want. It makes me happy to see others people happy. I like to do nice things for others. When a conflict arises, I have brainstormed a solution. We all can win. What's the best option? The best option really depends on what situation you are in at the time, what you want to achieve, and what the other person wants to achieve. If you value a relationship, you may option for lose-win in order to keep the peace. If you want to increase competition, you may go for a win-lose strategy. There are four habits of thinking. Number one, win lose. An attitude toward life that says the pie of big success. And if you get a big piece, then there is less for me. So I am going to get a bigger piece than you. Number two, lose win is a habit that you think to give up all things which are very important to you because you don't want to have conflict. Number three, lose-lose is a situation where no one comes out with what they need or want. It is a negative situation for everyone involved. For example, if I am going down, I am going to bring you with me. Number four, win-win. Think win-win is a kind of habit that you think that you can win and so other people can win. Think win-win is the belief that there is plenty of success to go around. Think win-win is also the foundation for getting along well with other people. Attitudes of win-lose. Using other people for your own selfish purposes, becoming jealous and envious when something good happens to someone else. Result: at the end, win-lose will usually backfire. You may end up on the top of the totem pole, but you will be there alone without any friends. Result: if you adopt lose-win as your basic attitude, people will wipe their dirty feet on you. It is a real bummer. You will hide your true feelings deep inside. It makes you unhealthy. Lose and lose usually happens when two win-lose people get together. They are both together end up losing. Can also occur when someone becomes obsessed with another person in a negative way. Examples of win-win attitude: you get a promotion at work, you share the praise and recognition with all of those who helped you get there. Result: good relationship and happy. How to think win-win. Win the private victory first. You need to have habit number one, number two, and number three. Lose win the dominate. Lose win is weak. It's easy to get stepped on. With a lose win attitude, you'll find yourself setting low expectations and compromising your standards again and again. You will also be hiding your true feelings deep inside. Comparing: we are different in socially, mentally, and physically. Life is like a great obstacle course. Each person has their own course, separated from every their course by towards. Your course comes complete with customized obstacles designed especially for your personal growth. Conclusions: thinking win-win is very good thinking habit. You don't compete or compare with others. You end up having more friends and succeeding in your life. Okay, thank you together for your watching.